Did you know that over 70% of online business owners are already using AI to help with their content creation? So here's the deal. I've decided to put AI to the test to see if it can write a whole blog post for me. I want to see if it can keep up with my usual style, help me save time, and maybe even make my content a little bit more engaging. As any content creator knows, writer's block is a real pain. There are days when the ideas just won't flow and time is always running short. That's why I use something like Voice Notes. Voice Notes is an app, I have it on my phone, and I just record myself with these like ideas that come up, these little short blurbs that come to you every now and then. I just hit record and I save them in here. Then I can see them and I can add to them. I can add a thread, photo links, I can edit them, add hashtags to organize them. I can create content right from here, so it does have a blog post option here. I can share this with people, download the audio, and then do a few other things like regenerate and delete. So this is a fabulous tool. Grab it if you don't already have it. So what I did to write this blog post was, first, I took one of these ideas here that I have and I put it in this AI tool that I created. My content bot is trained to talk just like me. I've uploaded pages and pages and pages of my content. So I asked Megbot to create an outline for a blog post based on this. And I pasted it right in there, copied from Voice Notes, pasted in there, and then Megbot pops out this outline. It looks a little bit funky, but let's just take a quick look, and it looks good. So if I want, I could tell Megbot to fix something, or if not, I can just keep going. So I think it looks good. So I'm going to ask Megbot to write out the blog post. I'm going to tell Megbot to SEO optimize it, and we'll see how she does. And I want it to be 1,000 words. So let me just paste this again. So now it's analyzing what I just wrote. Spit that out pretty quickly. So I'm just going to take a quick peek at it. It looks okay, but I want it to expand on it a little bit, but I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to just copy this, and I'm going to head over to this other tool that I have, which is this Podcast SEO Blog Assistant. So I'm going to tell it I want to upload a blog for SEO optimization, and then I'm going to paste in here. I'm just going to ignore what that says there, paste in there. I'm going to tell it to just use what I pasted. Okay, so now here you can see at the top it has a target keyword. It has title character that's under 70 characters. It has a meta description that is the right length. It even suggests a permalink for me, and then it has related keywords. It's putting in the H2, H3. And you can see this one looks a little bit better than the first one, like it's a little bit more fleshed out. So again, I went from here where this is just kind of like an outline, expanded outline, and then I put in this one that's really trained on how to write blogs well, and I put that in there. So now here, if I want, I can make some changes. I can upload my image if I already had it, and then this bot will create an alt tag for it. But let's say I'm ready. I'm just going to copy this. And then my next step is that I want to create some images to go with it. So there's this fabulous cool tool, napkin.ai. And so I'm pasting these into Napkin. Just copied it from there, pasted it in here, and I'm going to put the title just here. Okay. And then if you click over here, you can see this blue lightning bolt. The blue lightning bolt, if you click that, then you can generate these images. So first I'm going to pick, like, where do I want to have an image generated from. So I think like this is pretty useful, like having identifying pain points, bottlenecks, areas. So if I click this, it takes a few seconds to analyze it, and then it just immediately pops out these image ideas here. So you can scroll through the different options to find one that makes sense. I like this one. There are different styles in here that are like pre-designed styles. Sometimes you get like different colors, but also like once you pick them, then you can go in and you can do a little bit of editing and changing of colors and so on. So you can make that like pink. You know, the editor is pretty basic, but I think it gets the job done. And then once you're ready to put this in WordPress or your blogging tool, you can just download this image and you can paste this or upload it into your blog. So then from here, what I do is I put this into WordPress, add in the images, make sure I've got all the headings correct, and then hit publish. And then I use a tool called switchy.io to create a UTM link so I can track the clicks. And then I come here and I put this in my Smart Suite Business Hub. And this is where we have all of our links and descriptions about the different links that we have. So that is the whole flow. So what do you think? Are you ready to let AI take the reins on your content? And if you want to see more experiments like this one, hit that subscribe button and then check out my next video for even more insights and how you can use AI and no code to run your business better.